Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Chordify, Songs, Chords, Tuner app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Chordify is a music learning app that helps users play their favorite songs on guitar, piano, or ukulele by automatically generating chords from any song. The app provides visual chord diagrams, real-time feedback, tempo adjustment, and looping features to practice difficult sections. It also includes a built-in tuner to ensure instruments are perfectly in tune. Its intuitive interface and interactive learning make it suitable for beginners, while advanced features appeal to experienced musicians. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users enjoy how quickly the app generates accurate chords and the ease of following along with songs. Many find the looping and tempo features very useful for mastering challenging sections. The visual chord guides and real-time feedback help learners improve their playing efficiency, and multi-instrument support makes it versatile. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users have reported occasional errors in chord recognition, and a significant portion of content is behind a subscription paywall. While it works well for most songs, extremely complex tracks or uncommon instruments may not be fully supported. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Chordify app may be worth using if you want an interactive and efficient way to learn songs on guitar, piano, or ukulele. It shines in accessibility, real-time feedback, and practice tools. However, if you need full access to all songs without a subscription or highly precise analysis for very complex pieces, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.